Yo, what is up, y'all? We are outside. Yes, it is snowing, but it is officially time, y'all. It's officially time. I made the big purchase for the G. Yeah, it is covered in snow right now. I got to clean the snow off too. But y'all, we got the carbon fiber steering wheel, flat bottom. No, I didn't go with the top like the CS like stripe. I don't like that stripe. I don't like it. Red stitching though on the perforated leather. Oh my god. Yo, yo, yo. Oh, and I got the trim pieces to go in the middle and stuff too. Which I put the I'm so happy, y'all. Yo, I have not thought about this. Well, I had thought about this for a bad long, but I had not thought I was gonna get this right now. And I was like, yo, flat bottom? Damn. Damn. Oh my god. This is so fire. But y'all, we about to throw the steering wheel in the car. First thing first though, I do gotta actually take the old one off. So let's disconnect the battery, take the old steering wheel off, and then we get to put the carbon fiber steering wheel. Oh my god! Oh, look at that! Let me stop playing around, yeah. So we get the steering wheel into the G. Not gonna lie, I don't know if y'all can really see me in the full frame right now. I don't think, I can't see my camera because it's a little bit in an awkward position because I didn't want to put it outside the car because it is snowing outside. So I was like, let me not leave the phone outside. But yeah, we're going to take the steering wheel off. I did watch a video on how to do this before a while ago. But I think I remember about the video. I got this. First thing, there's two clips on each side. You take those out. That loosens the the airbag. Then you can pop the airbag out. Then you use the clock spring. Take the steering wheel. I got this, y'all. Alright, y'all, so the first thing I actually do have to do right now is that you take out bolts from each side of the airbag holder. There's two bolts that hold the airbag, one on each side. After those bolts are actually removed, then I'm able to slide the airbag out from the inside. Of course, the battery is also disconnected, but I was low-key a little scared, so just kind of move aside. And then you're able to pop out the clips in the back. There's only two clips. You can use a pick tool or anything, and you pop out those two clips, and the airbag is actually removed from the car. And now that the airbag's actually out the way, I'm actually able to now remove the center bolt holder in the steering wheel and start hammering away at the steering wheel because those things is mad stuck. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like, it's mad in there. Look at that, it pops right out. Alright, y'all, so we're actually almost done right now. Only thing I have to do last now is actually swap everything from my old steering wheel onto the new steering wheel, which is like the buttons and everything, because I want to keep the regular buttons in there, but I want to change out the center bezel itself. After I try to swap all that over, I'll be able to completely put the new steering wheel into the car and have that flat bottom carbon fiber. I'm sorry, y'all. Just a little excited. Just a little bit. Oh, we are done actually with building the steering wheel. I had to actually restart over because I did something super dumb. And I didn't use this center bezel right here. Y'all see the center? What? Full carbon center bezel right there, bruh. Yeah, I did something super dumb, y'all. And I was putting everything back together like how I took it out. And as I'm putting it back together, I used this one, which is like, pretty mid. So the strip on the side. It's just a strip that goes over like the carbon fiber overlay. Same thing as in the interior. I use that one. But now we can slide the airbag back on temporarily. And look at that. Oh my god. That is insane, bruh. That is crazy, y'all. That looks good. Now, it's kind of heavy for one hand. We're going to put that back in the car. And, we got to go for a drive. So let's go for a little drive, a little testy drivey drive, make sure everything's all good, and see how that center, woo. Let's go outside. All right, y'all. So I actually did record me installing the steering wheel, but unfortunately, somehow the footage got messed up. It could be my fault, could be not my fault. I don't know. Circumstances, who knows? But it kind of low-key maybe my fault. It kind of messed up something up when I was recording. But y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a before and after what the steering wheel looked like before and then after. And then we're gonna go for a little drive and actually show you guys what it's like on the road. Cause I can't wait to get that steering wheel on the road, bro. Cause that thing is gas, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Something about it just like, it's fire, y'all. It's fire. Got some sunlight. This looks crazy, bruh. Looking at it, the red stitching dead pops, y'all. That's nice. Carbon fiber. Weave looks good. Even with the sensor buttons and everything. The fitment between the steering wheel gap, which you know this supposed to be like a natural gap there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's pretty good gap. The backside, let's see the backside. The sun hitting it, yeah. That looks good. That looks good. Let's see this side. Whew.